All right, let's just get right into it. If you've been doing what you do, I don't know, 10, 15, even 20 plus years, and you have this nagging feeling that nobody's really paying you for your thinking yet, and that's really the big idea we're going to unpack here. Your brain is already a finished product. The value is 110% there. You've just never put it in a box. You've never put it into a digital product and sold it. You know, for many of us, especially Gen X women, we are basically walking libraries. We've raised kids, we've built entire programs from scratch, we've fixed countless broken systems. We learned all the stuff the hard way, and yet so often we're still just trading hours directly for dollars. But here's the good news. We are not late to the game, not at all. We're just under leveraged. So where do we even begin? Well, the first, and I mean the absolute most important step, is making a critical mindset shift. We have to stop right now calling our hard-won knowledge common sense. Just think about it for a second. In your work, in your life, do you find that people are constantly coming up to you with the same kinds of questions? You know the ones I'm talking about. Questions like, wait, how do you do that so fast? Or, can you just show me how to do it? Maybe they ask if you have a template for something, or the all-time classic, can I pick your brain for a minute? Don't want to pay you nothing. Listen, those are not just casual questions. Those are signs, big flashing neon signs. And if you hear those questions on a regular basis, well, congratulations. That's not common sense. That is a product-worthy knowledge that you have, which means congratulations. That's not common knowledge. That is product-worthy knowledge. That means you have something that other people truly value and absolutely need. And here's a little rule I want you to remember. Maybe even write it down. Rule number 1. If someone needs you to explain something to them more than once, it is by definition not common knowledge. Okay, so you're with me. You've accepted that your knowledge is actually valuable. The next obvious question here is, now what do I do with it? How do I actually turn it into something tangible? Well, that brings us right to the framework for packaging your product. Listen, we are not trying to boil the ocean here. The whole key is to start small, super small, find a specific annoying problem that your brain just solves fast. And maybe you're a genius at organizing chaos. You can spot broken workflows from a mile away. Your very first product should solve one tiny problem in under 30 minutes. That's it. And let's all just take a collective deep breath and say this together. We are not building a 12-module course. We do not have time for all of that. You know what? Neither do our buyers. The goal here is a quick win. So what does a quick win actually look like? Think simple, think instantly usable, a checklist, a pack of templates. You already have a short no fluff guide or maybe some scripts. Here's the most important part. If your customer can buy it and use it on the exact same day, it's going to sell so much faster. Okay, let's talk about the scary part here, money. When it comes to pricing, almost all of us immediately ask the absolute worst question. We have to stop asking, what would I pay for this? Of course we wouldn't pay for it. We're the experts. We already know how to do it. Instead, we need to completely flip that around. Ask this, what is the problem costing my customer? And I mean, really think about that. What is it costing them in time, stress, and sheer confusion, maybe even in missed opportunities? That right there, that's the whole value. You are not charging for the hours it took you to learn it. You are not charging for the effort. You are charging for the clarity, the relief, the beautiful shortcut that you provide. You've got an idea, you've picked a super simple format, and you've priced it based on relief, right? So how do we actually get this out into the world? Let's talk about launching your shortcut. But first things first, let's just all agree that we're going to let go of perfectionism. Perfectionism. Couldn't even say the word. It is the absolute enemy. I hate it so much. Your product does not need to have to be polished masterpiece. It just needs to be genuinely, truthfully useful to your audience. Use this simple, powerful little sentence. I help a specific person fix a specific problem without the thing they absolutely hate doing. That sentence alone is a powerhouse because it focused on completely on them, not on you. And you don't need some massive, complicated launch plan. Forget that. Just follow these 3 steps. 1, pick one social media platform where you already feel comfortable. 2, talk about the problem your audience is struggling with. Show them the shortcut and then just casually mention the little product you made to help them. See, that's not salesy. That's just being helpful and respectful. Now I can almost hear some of you thinking, okay, this is all great, but I just wish someone would hand me a checklist and tell me exactly what to do step by step. I put together a little resource called Package Your Brain in a Weekend. It's a speed launch checklist. It literally walks you through choosing your idea, picking the right simple format, and getting it all ready to sell without all the overthinking that can drag this out for months and months and months. You can grab that using the link right in the description below. But before we wrap this up, I want to leave you with one final really critical reframe. When I first got into digital media and digital marketing, there was no AI. There was none of the stuff that we have today to help us think through and pull out our ideas. So we were literally throwing spaghetti at the wall. I constantly post on LinkedIn just the ways in which I help my clients, things that I've done, and that brings me even more people who are interested in what I do. Not only does it do that, but it opens up opportunities to me. I actually booked a $30,000 client from a LinkedIn post that I put out there, and that was literally from me just talking about the things that I've done in my business and problems that I've solved for other clients and customers. So I want you to think in that way. I want you to think about how you can utilize the skills, the talents, or talk about the things that you've already done on social media, package up your expertise into a digital product, and utilize the checklist to help you launch that within a weekend. Most oftentimes, what I hear from a lot of the folks who come to me for support or guidance or looking to monetize their platform is that I've been down this road a million times. I got a gazillion ideas, but I never seem to launch anything. And that is the reason why I put this checklist together, because look, you got stuff to do. And there is someone out there that is willing to pay you for access to your brain without you physically having to be there. They don't need your presence. What they need is your expertise. And when you package that up and you put it into a digital product, you're able to deliver that expertise without having to physically talk to anyone. The same way that I'm doing right now with you, right? I know what your pain points are. I speak to individuals who are just like you all the time, right? Who think like you, who sit down and like, oh my gosh, I wish I could. I know I have this expertise, or I know I have this story or this way I can help folks. I just don't know how to put it all together and how to deliver it. Well, that's exactly why I put that checklist together for you guys. So you can get out there and get started. You don't have to wait around for anybody to give you permission. You have everything you need right at your fingertips and you can get started, right? Okay, this is all great. Okay, cool, Jessica, you got all the answers. But how do I do this step by step? And that is why I put together the checklist I talked about before. I put together that resource because it's a packaging your brain in a weekend. You take one weekend, you get it done. Get her done, okay? You don't overthink this. You already have everything you need. You have the expertise, okay? Let's call it the real talk moment. And it's all about the payoff that comes from being visible. So many of us were taught to just put our heads down, do good work, and be useful. But here's the hard truth, especially in the world we live in today. We get paid to be visible. Visibility is how your brain actually gets the credit and the cash for all this hard work. And to be visible with what you already know, you don't need anyone's permission. You absolutely don't need another expensive certification. And you sure don't need to reinvent yourself. You just need to package what's already there. Look, your brain has already done some decades and decades of work, okay? We dinosaurs at this point. We all looking at fossils looking, all right? Your brain has already put the hours in. It's done doing the heavy lifting. Now it's time to let it pay you back. Go ahead, download the checklist below. Let me know if you have any questions or comments, but it's time for you to take the next step instead of always relying on being the person that is replying. Let these digital products reply for you. If you have any comments or questions, please let me know. But inside of that checklist, I put all of the tools that I absolutely love and use. But I'm going to leave you with a tool that I absolutely love, which is called beacons. Now with beacons, you can go in, you can add your digital product. You can actually also link your beacons to your Instagram. And when someone comments on a post, they can get a link directly to your digital product. So you are completely 120% hands off. I put together a little short tutorial video which goes along with the upgrade to the checklist. So if you need that, the link is there. But go ahead, get started, package your knowledge, package your brain and knowledge. This is how you package and sell your expertise without having to physically be in the room, because you can do this. We already, like we said, we fossils at this point, okay? We done been around, brain done work. It's time to let the brain relax and get paid passively. See y'all in the next video.